Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. For who are watching this video for the first time, I will introduce myself first. My name is Satrio Adipurbo and my student number is 170709568, Informatic Engineering Program, Atmajaya Yogyakarta University. And I'm making this video to complete my final project in English for specific purpose. So, in this video contains a discussion about the topic that I have got. I got the hooray. It means I can choose my own topic related to the chapter. The topic I will discuss is about smart city, focus on transportation. Before we start the topic, I will thank to God for His blessing, so I can make this video, and my lecturers, of course, Miss Dita, and also for my friends who helped me in making this video. In this video, I will use a few additional videos that will explain about IoT and from to be able to help explaining to the topic. I will put the link down below so you can check it out. Let's go discuss this. Question number 1. Explain how to create an integrated city transportation system in a smart city. Okay, let's go discuss it one by one. First of all, what is a smart city? If I'm looking for in the internet from Tokopedia, smart city is I will read it for you. Okay. A designation given to a city that incorporates information and communication technology (ICT) to enhance the quality and performance of urban services such as energy, transportation, and utility in order to reduce resource consumption, wastage, and overall costs. The overarching aim of a smart city is to enhance the quality of living for its citizens through smart technology. So that is from website, right? From Tokopedia, but I have my own opinion. In my opinion, smart city is because of presence Internet of Things. IoT is a network of electronic devices that are interconnected and capable of sending data, of following up the minimal human intervention. And I think smart city can implement it in Indonesia, although experiencing various obstacles from infrastructure, space, and the people themselves who have not been able to utilize digital technology. Okay, I will give you one sample. Jakarta have begun to adopt smart city concept since 2015. Surabaya also continues to implement innovation to become smart city. For example, by implementing an online ticketing system for motorized vehicle driver who commit traffic violations, and several major cities like Bandung, Semarang, etc. Okay, that's an explanation about smart city. And now, how to create an integrated city transportation system in a smart city. To create an integrated public transportation in smart city, we need several things. First, the advanced driver assistance system include camera, sensor, and vehicle data network. Second, V2V, vehicle to vehicle, and V2I, vehicle to infrastructure system. I will explain you V2V and V2I. V2V, vehicle to vehicle, is a communication wireless network where automobiles send messages to each other with information about what happened. This data would include the speed, location, direction of travel, and its use dedicated short range communication. And then V2I, vehicle to infrastructure. Vehicle-to-infrastructure communication is the wireless exchange of data between vehicle and road infrastructure, enabled by system hardware, software, and firmware. V2I communication is typically wireless and bidirectional. Now we're talking about Advanced Driver Assistance System. Advanced Driver Assistance System, depending on input, for example, image processing and network connection, this system can detect some object, do basic classification, alert the driver of dangerous road, and in some cases, slow or stop the vehicle. To clarify the three things that I just explained above, we can see the video. Check it out.
Drivers will receive warnings that inform them of potential hazards through a visual display, seat vibration, or tone. These are only warnings. The driver remains in control of the vehicle at all times. However, the technology can also support limited automated functions in which the driver only cedes partial control of the vehicle. Warnings can help drivers respond quickly to avoid potential crashes. For example, the Intersection Movement Assist application warns drivers when it is unsafe to enter an intersection. Road weather data from the vehicles can be sent to Traffic Management Centers, or TMCs, providing detailed, real-time information to help monitor and manage transportation system performance. The centers can then take actions like adjusting traffic signals and speed limits, notifying maintenance crews, dispatching maintenance vehicles to the road, and broadcasting warnings for motorists. With millions of connected vehicles, our ability to share robust data with each other and with smart infrastructure will continue to improve traffic flow, enhance coordination with transit, and make our communities even more safe and livable. The Connection Protection application gives public transportation providers and travelers the ability to communicate two ways. The connected network gives passengers real-time transit information so they can more accurately predict whether they will make their next connection.
Okay, that's the video. The second is an intelligent transport system. The system can help road users and traffic managers to share information and use it to coordinate their action. The system is expected to significantly improve road safety, traffic efficiency, and comfort, to take the right decision and adapt to the traffic situation. So that's it. How to create an integrated city transportation system in a smart city. Now we move to the next question. What are IoT applied in this system? Before entering into the discussion, I will explain what IoT deeply than before. IoT, the Internet of Things, is a concept where internet connectivity can exchange information with each other with objects around it. Many predict that the Internet of Things, IoT, that the next big thing in the world of information technology. This is because there is a lot of potential that can be developed with the IoT technology. I'll give you the video how big the potential from IoT. That's the video.
By now, you may have heard the term Internet of Things. Sounds interesting, but what does the Internet of Things actually mean? IoT is an evolution of mobile, home, and embedded applications that are being connected to the Internet, integrating greater compute capabilities and using data analytics to extract meaningful information. Billions of devices will be connected to the Internet, and soon, hundreds of billions of devices. As related devices connect with each other, they can become an intelligent system of systems. And when these intelligent devices and systems of systems share data over the cloud and analyze it, they can transform our businesses, our lives, and our world in countless ways. Whether it's improving medical outcomes, creating better products faster with lower development costs, making shopping more enjoyable, or optimizing energy generation and consumption. Here's an example of the big picture. Imagine an intelligent device such as a smart traffic camera. The camera can monitor the road for congestion, accidents, and weather conditions, and communicate that status to a gateway that combines it with data from other cameras, creating an intelligent citywide traffic system. Now, imagine that intelligent traffic system connected to other citywide transportation systems, which get data from their own intelligent devices, creating an ever larger intelligent system of systems. The really big possibilities come from analyzing the end-to-end data across that system of systems. For example, let's say the city's intelligent traffic system detects massive congestion due to an accident. That insight can be sent to the citywide transportation system, which can analyze the accident's impact on other city systems. Recognizing the accident is near the airport and 2 city schools, it could notify those systems so they can adjust flight and school schedules. It can also analyze and derive optimal routes around the accident and send those instructions to the city's digital signage system to guide drivers around the accident. And that's just one example of the potential benefits that can happen when intelligent devices share insight with other systems, forming ever-expanding systems of systems. But how do we get there? Regardless of the solution, Intel processors are designed to help you get to market faster and easier. You can scale solutions across a variety of performance, power, and price points with a single set of application code that runs on every Intel processor. So what will you develop to help drive and accelerate the Internet of Things? We'd love to help, so please contact your local Intel representative or visit us on the web at www.intel.com/IoT to find out more.
Okay. Now, what IoT are applied in the system? So, from the video, I will explain and give one example of implementing IoT in public transportation. The devices are connected to the internet. CCTV and management system will also be connected. So, there's a collision, the user can find out first. And besides that, IoT can connect between one another and it can provide a lot of information for users. So this is applied on IoT. We can move to the next question. The next question: how can each of the independent subsystems be integrated to create safe and secure public space in the city? Well, it's collaboration, V2V and V2I, that have already been explained before, coupled with the implementation of IoT. I will explain the part of it. V2V, where automobiles send messages to each other with information about what happened. So from here, we can understand V2V make transportation safety, because we know what is happening around us and prevent collision. Now, how about V2I? V2I communication is the wireless exchange of data between vehicle and road infrastructure. V2I communication is typically wireless and infrastructural components such as road sign and traffic light can provide information to the vehicle. So from here we know that V2I make user know about the traffic first and make the right decision. It's useful for the government too to manage the traffic system. The presence of V2V and V2I system will reduce congestion because there is an IoT system integrated CCTV camera, so that they can alert other driver to take other routes to reduce collisions. And it can reduce crime too, because vehicle can be tracked easily. We can conclude that the public transportation integrated in smart city, consisting of V2V and V2I, and of course IoT, can make great transportation in the future. the transportation become more safety and secure because advanced technology. So this all discussion about smart city that focus on transportation. I'm Satrio Di Purbo, and see you next time.